There are 1,001 ways to make egusi soup. This is a special delicacy among the Ekiti people. My guy, they know they take and play. Today, let's make it my own way. All way in our way. I don't get time to make my jam like this, so because I want to respect Ekiti people. My brother, Mo will use fufu now, can sharp. Fantabulous.